Hi guys, it's Jeanet and welcome back to my channel. Also, if you're new here, I post new fashion, lifestyle and travel videos every Wednesday, Friday and Sunday. So today I'm going to be talking about my 5th month of YouTube and more specifically about reflection and branding. So if you enjoy this video, please consider subscribing. I'm trying to hit 200 subscribers by the end of February. And if you guys want to help me out with that, then I'd really appreciate it. Focusing on reflection first, I know I mentioned this in my previous video, but what I mentioned there was that it was important to look back at your old content and evaluate it, and then try and figure out a pattern of behavior of your audience. But here it is more personal. It's focusing on your new content versus your old content, and from there drawing certain conclusions about your own channel. If I were to take my own channel as an example, I can clearly see that my views took a serious dip from Christmas onwards, and that was because I went away for Christmas and couldn't promote those videos as well as I wanted to. And then in comparison, the one video that I did post and put a lot of promoting into after Christmas got a lot of views. So number one, that tells me that I haven't been number one, that tells me I haven't been promoting my videos enough, and number two, that does actually reflect that the promotion tactics that I did use for that one video were actually successful and something that I should try and replicate a lot more in the future. Second is the branding. I've only recently come to the realization of how truly important branding is, because in the current YouTube climate, branding is actually the only thing that will help you stand out from the crowd. Now, don't get me wrong, I do like the way my channel is currently looking, but at the same time, you could probably find multiple channels that look very similar to mine. So even though I think I started strong enough for a beginner, it's important to grow if you know how. The thing that stands out to me now after some serious reflection is my banner head being pretty nondescript, my channel name being too complex to remember off the top of someone's head, and my thumbnails being distant, if I can call it that. What I mean by this is that your audience want to see the content of the video in the thumbnail. This is even evident if I look at my own channel. The videos with a person and relevant items or products in the thumbnail tend to get more views. So yeah, to sum this up, I've noticed a serious need for more defined branding and other changes on my channel, and that'll definitely be happening sometime in the future. But nonetheless, if you did enjoy this, if you found it helpful, please remember to like and subscribe, and comment down below if you have any questions or suggestions. Otherwise, I'll see you guys again on Wednesday. Bye!